just completed an El Capitan tier on a Sprinter 170. Some of the exterior accessories, we've got the upgraded wheel and tire package. This does have the Agile lift kit on there. The side ladder is the wheel wrap ladder from Flatline. That's going to give you easy access to the top of the van. The roof rack is from Flatline. We have mounted 400 watts of solar to that roof rack. Moving around the back, we got the Los Saguaro tire carrier and the monster box from Owl Vans. This is mounted to the B2 bike carrier. In the garage, ample storage space in the garage with 800 amp hours of battery, a 33-gallon water tank from Northwest Conversions, the outdoor shower port, and coming around the side. This is the awning from Nomadic Cooling. It's got the LED strips not only down here but up there, keeping it lit up when you're out here camping. It's going to protect you from sun, it's going to protect you from rain. This will not mold or mildew. Stepping inside. Super versatile lagoon table. The top that we build for this folds out to give you more tabletop space and folds back up if you want that extra storage. There are Scopima swivel seats on the driver and passenger side. Underneath the bench seat is additional storage space with the custom cushions on top. There are 4 overhead cabinets in this van. An indoor shower. The stainless steel isotherm fridge. This is a fridge freezer combo. Floor to ceiling closet space. We've got garment hanging down below and shelves up top. The memory foam mattress in this van sits comfortably between the pop-outs. Those are the pop-outs from Van Speed. It's going to give you an additional 6 inches on one side and 5.5 on the other, and every inch counts when you're in a van. Up above the bed is the AC unit. It's the X2 from Nomadic Cooling. This is a super efficient, super powerful unit meant to be used off-grid, so you don't need to use shore power when you're using this. Additional drawer space. The double induction cooktop is built into the counter. Induction cooktops are going to be safer than gas, safer than electric, easier to clean with the reaction time of a gas stove. The TV is mounted onto a swivel, and we include the Velcro strap to keep it secure while you're driving. The microwave is built in so that it doesn't slide around while you're driving. Potable water, and of course, the extended countertop. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.